Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to develop or to build a website from scratch, a complete website from scratch. I know there are a lot of videos out there that teach you how to build websites with ChatGPT or using AI, but I want to teach you from my perspective. But before we dive into that, let me quickly show you what I have here. Take a look at this. Okay, so this website is already hosted. I built this website using ChatGPT from the beginning to the end. So maybe in future videos, I can also show you how you can host your um, websites online. But in this video, the goal is to teach you how you can use ChatGPT to build a complete website. All right, so you can see this website. It also has a back end, and I did everything with AI. AI helped me to build everything from scratch. So you can see different pages and different sections that we have here. All right. So I just wanted to look at what AI can help us to achieve. All right. So let's go back to our video. Right. So we're going to be using three technologies. We're going to be using React.js, Tailwind CSS, and ChatGPT. So I don't want to go into much details about React.js and Tailwind CSS because there are a lot of things to talk about them. All I just wanted you to know is how to use ChatGPT, giving ChatGPT the right prompt, and we are good to go. Okay. But if you are curious, maybe for learning or knowing sake, you can just use ChatGPT to know about what React.js is and what Tailwind CSS is. Normally, when you are building a website, a lot of things are involved. We used HTML to design the structure of our web page. We use CSS to style it. We use JavaScript to make it interactive. But we are using React.js as a component of JavaScript, and we are using CSS as Tailwind CSS as a component of CSS. You don't really need to know anything about all of this. Just follow the steps I will show you in this video. AI is going to give us every single code that we need to build our website. Good to go. Let's dive into the video, right? So the first thing we want to do is to set up our development environment. We are going to use uh, VS Code. In my case, I love VS Code a lot because it's so powerful. So I already have it installed in my computer, but in your case, we need to install it from scratch. First, we need to download it. Come to Google and type VS Code. So click on the VS Code download, and it's going to take you to the page where you're going to download VS Code in your computer. Right, so scroll up and come to this link. Click on this link to bring you to the page where you can download it. Pardon, my network is a bit slow. Okay, so allow it to load up. Okay, this is taking time. Alright, so we are here. Let's click on. So depending on the operating system you're using, in my case I'm using Windows. If you are using Mac OS or any other operating system, just look at the options available and download the one that suits your operating system. Okay, so let me click on Windows S because I'm using Windows, right? So let me just click on this. Um, so it's taking time to load. Right, the download has started. So in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this because I have it installed in my computer already. So allow this to download on your computer. So once the download is complete, go ahead and install it following the default prompt that it will bring to you. Just follow everything and get it installed on your computer. Good. So once we are done installing VS Code on our computer, you can just come to Windows search bar and type VS VS Code. You can see it showed up here, so just click on this. You even don't need to open it from here. So the next thing we want to do is to create a folder on our desktop. We are creating it on our desktop because we want to access it easily, so that we will not be struggling to open it up. So just for easy access, we are creating it on our desktop, and give it any name of your choice. In my case, I'm giving this folder AI websites. AI websites. Alright, so to open it up, just right click on open with code option. So automatically you are opening this folder with the VS Code that you just installed on your machine. Okay, so we are going to be using terminal, or the terminal that is built in VS Code, to write all our code. Okay, so in other um, languages they call it command line, but here it is terminal. Let's just open a terminal by clicking on Ctrl J. All right, so let us confirm if Node.js is installed on this machine. Node dash dash version to confirm the version of, yeah, so I have Node.js installed, and I have it I have version 24.12.0 installed. So it is a way to know if Node is installed. What about npm dash dash version? Because we're going to be using npm to build our website. Oh, good. So I have npm installed on my machine. So in case you find out that you do not have npm installed on your computer, you need to install it. Else, if you did not have it installed on your computer, if you are following the video, you're going to run into error. So you need to get it installed. So how do you install that? Just say npm install. Alright, and hit on the enter button. It will install npm on your computer. Alright, so the next thing to do is to install Tailwind CSS in our project, and we do that by coming to Google, type Tailwind. Alright, it's going to bring down here, bring that here. Just type Tailwind CSS and click on the first link. That should take us to the right page. So we are here, just leave it at this version because it's more stable. Now come to Docs tab, allow it to load. Okay, once that is done, come to click on Docs tab and leave it on the using Vite tab. Right, so we are going to follow these steps to install Tailwind in our project. But first, we're going to create a project by using npm create Vite at latest command, and then we are going to write the name of our project. Let's just copy this and edit it in our terminal. Ctrl C, come back to VS Code, paste it here. So we are going to change my project to the name of your project. Give it any name, please. In my case, I'm giving it demo, and then hit enter. So it will take some time to create this project. Alright, so it's going to ask us what framework do we want to use to create our project. There are different frameworks here. Use your down arrow key on the keyboard to navigate through them. Okay, and then so we're using React, right? Once you're on React, hit the enter button, and again it's asking you to select a variant. So go to JavaScript, hit enter button, and it's asking you, do you want to install it with npm and start now? Just go ahead and click yes. Good. Give it some time to install the dependencies that comes with npm. Remember, you need to have npm installed on your machine to make this work. Alright, so our project is done. we have successfully created our project, and that's why you see this local host URL. So when we copy this, it's just giving you this as an address to our web page. If you copy this and you go to our web browser, open a new tab and paste it there, it's going to give you the default page that npm has created for our web application. We are going to modify and update all of this in this project. So the next thing we want to do is to install Tailwind CSS. All right, so we just need to copy this command, install Tailwind CSS and all of this. So click on copy and come back to your VS Code. We need to stop this program from running, so we are going to use Ctrl C to stop it. And then, okay, remember we are changing our folder name to our project name, cd demo, right? Good. So paste the command you copied from Tailwind CSS, hit your enter button. So it's going to install Tailwind CSS in our project. Tailwind CSS is actually what we use to style our project. It does everything that CSS helps us to achieve. Just give it some time to install Tailwind in our project. Confirm if Tailwind CSS is properly configured. Let's try to. I'm going to delete everything. Open app.jsx. I'm going to delete everything here. Highlight and delete. Just type RAFCE. Okay. So this is a default React code. Inside the div tag, um, open a paragraph element. Okay. So I'm just going to enter hello world. Hello world. Let's save that and see what we have on the page. Okay, so we have hello world output out on the web page here. So inside the p tag, write class name. Okay, let's style the font. Let's say font bold. Okay, let's save this. Oh, good. See, our Tailwind CSS is properly configured and is working. So the next thing is to go ahead and tell ChatGPT to give us code for the website we want to build. For me, I have a prompt here. I'm going to leave this in the comment section. You can go ahead and copy it. So we want to build a professional hospital booking website. Just the homepage section, right? Just for the sake of demo in this video. But I can tell you for sure, for free, that AI can build any kind of application for you. Just have that at the back of your mind. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to give AI this prompt. So I'll just copy everything here and then open another tab and open up that chat GPT. Chat GPT is loading up. Let's give it some time. So I'll just paste the prompt I copied. Let's see what AI will give us. Alright, so it's amazing. This way everything gets interesting, right? See, ChatGPT gave us how our project is going to be structured. Okay, this is our project structure. We're going to have a folder called source. This is the folder here in our project. Inside source, we're going to have components. We're going to have navbar.jsx and footer. So our website is going to have navbar and footer. And the other part of this is page. We're going to have pages wherein we have our home.jsx and we're going to have app.jsx, main.jsx and index.css. Alright, so let's just go ahead and begin to implement this. So the first thing we want to do is to open up our source folder. We're going to create two folders inside the source folder. So in the source folder, go to folder and create components. Again, create another folder. Okay, come out of this folder. Click on the source folder again. Create another folder and name it pages. So once we are done with that, in the component folder, we are going to create navbar.jsx and footer.jsx. Make sure you follow exactly what we are doing here. In the component, we are creating navbar.jsx and footer. Mind you, the name of this component must start with capital letter, else it won't work. Footer.jsx. Oh, good. So we are done doing that. The next thing is to create a page folder, pages folder in our source folder. So click on the source folder again, click on folder icon and create pages. This must necessarily not start with capital letter. Oh, good. We already have our pages folder, so it's giving us an error. We don't need to create it. So we have pages here already. Good. So we're just going to create home.jsx in page. Okay, home must start with capital letter, home.jsx. Oh, good. So we've created all the folders and files that we needed. App.jsx is already existing, so this is app. Where is it? App.jsx. We have in the index.css, we have main.jsx. Okay, good. All our structures are put in place. So in the main.jsx, ChatGPT is giving us this code to use, and that's how we're going to copy and paste it. Copy from here, go to your VS Code, open main.jsx, delete everything we have here, and paste what you copied. Save and close this for now. Okay, it's giving us an error. Okay, let's see what we have on the home page to make the error readable. They're saying that failed to resolve import React router done. Okay, so you see, but in case you could not figure out what the error means, just copy everything and paste it in your ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will analyze the error, will tell you what the error means, and they will give you the solution. You don't need to do anything, just read between the lines of what ChatGPT gives you and follow what ChatGPT asks you to do. It's that simple. So the problem here is that we're using React Router DOM, just as we can see it here. We are using where is it? React Router DOM, but we've not installed it yet. So that's why it's giving us that error. Let's stop this app from running. Simply install it by entering this command npm install React Router DOM. Okay, we ran into an error. Let's clear this and run this again. npm install React. Oh, I made a mistake with the spelling here. React Router DOM. Yeah, it should be correct. Okay, good. So React Router DOM is installed. Let's run our application again and see if the error has disappeared. Okay, npm run dev. Go back to the web page. See, so the error is gone. Good. So React Router DOM is installed. The next thing to do is to copy other pages that ChatGPT has given us. So we have pasted app. Okay, we have pasted code for main.jsx. The next to copy and paste is the app.jsx. Let's copy this, go to our app. Where is app.jsx? So we have this, we are just going to delete everything here and paste the one we just copied. Save it. Okay, let's just paste them one after the other. The next one is to copy and paste navbar code. Remember that navbar file is inside component folder. Copy it here, come to our project, where is component. Okay, so this is navbar file. We're just going to paste what we copied. Save it, come back to your ChatGPT. Okay, we want to copy the code for footer. Open footer file and paste it here. Save it. What's the next thing to do? We want to copy the code for home. So we copy this one and we go to home. Home is inside pages folder. Paste it and save. The next thing is to okay, we're almost done. So already we have installed Tailwind and all of that. We have also updated this. We've done this. So the next thing to do is to save our project and let's check our web page if everything is working properly. Voila, you see this? You see this beautiful website that ChatGPT has given to us in less than 5 minutes. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, so you can see we can navigate between the tabs that we have here. We have the home tab, services, doctors, contact, book appointment, all of this in less than 5 minutes. All right, so this is just a static website, and we build this for the sake of demo, right? There are lots more we can do with ChatGPT. So in future videos, I'll be coming up with amazing applications that we can use ChatGPT to build. I'm just giving you from a perspective how ChatGPT can help us to build different, even complex applications. All you just have to do or to know how to do is to give ChatGPT the correct prompt and it will get everything done for you. Okay, so we're going to end our video here and I hope to see you in the next video. Before we light out, I want to remind you that if you have not subscribed to this channel, you are not doing the right thing. Please subscribe, like, and share. If you have any comment or any concern, do well to drop in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.